You're the mirror and shoutout sa mga nanonood diyan sa sa Indonesia. Good morning, good afternoon pa. Hapon naman diri semua. So going to parking area from the drop of other PO Libis. So now I know. Now I know. Now I know. So now I know. Nakahanap na tayo ng parking. Park na tayo ngayon. Beautiful girl. Wherever you are. While waiting the call of my boss. Hi. Bye-bye.